Peace FM 104.3. Good to meet you.
Talking of party appointees, anyone and some no. What by a party aban for second term. Now, I feel na more ministers are more appointed or more eco-vetting. Deputies MI, CUs, NMI, MMDCs, NMI. Party government relationship in appointing these people, as you say.
And the thing is, so they were kind, for a lot of reasons. In the buying and our president, I say, this time, no ministers, no, ebe from Kakra, so ne mention. She be, she say, we do say 80 and 85 from 120 plus. In the ama, appointment, why she pa? And the first one, we about 46 so far. No?
Sure, 46.
On the constitution, it said that President Ba appointed deputy ministers in consultation with the substantive ministers. It is a young approval minister Bia. Deputy Bia do have president to abodi. Yes, we book constitution so. It also a change. They approval mu answer to make the deputy ministers list about and Augusto behind the scenes. But legally, no, to me announce so say we a deputy minister. Yes, na constitution no when this so. Nti eno na amana delay kakra and I'm always say I started vetting now. Committee say majority of them will pass through the vetting because of the good work on my year over the period. Immediately after that, no. Now, you know, some of the boards are working, some of them dissolve in waiting, say, substantive ministers and deputies. Now, about the appointment of CEOs. Some of them, and wholesale appointment of CEOs. Because some of them, you know, on contracts. Obi wa can 2 years, Obi wa can 3 years, Obi wa can 1 year. Because most of them, you know, are venture organizations. So, they be mostly listed. For instance, Alpha company to say Goila, a listed company. And they are appointed until say the chief executive no the term of office a contractor the man no ebe no. Oh, you say pay one shot the best 3 million they will go fee. I said board I'm also author. Chief executive fan the MD no. A man 4-year term. Until 1 year crime engine is a Uko yina, ne unexpired months na kano. You calculating a salary, you calculating a clothing allowance, the car obey you so, the fuel obey you so for the next 3 years only honor. No calculating in your hand with you man. If man best of 4 million, it's easy to grab your 1 person, you know. No way to register the Canadian coffee. It's because of that, the wholesale. Yeah, no, we are contract who say be renew near the full from a banty. Yet we were she musa. With the MMDCs, no, circular call out say, Omontua Omojumaso, Copem say, President and Kasa, ever putting in place some measures to make sure, say, those that will be retained will be retained, those that will not be retained. Unfortunately, no, your elections here in some regions, no. I say, go for MMDC, some vetting in there. I know as well for me. Say, party, no, na air a friend is saying, vetting for MMDC, near shortlist. Man, go for cry, found crowd, we are cooking punchy during the Christmas.
Any money among berry.
There's nothing like that. There's nothing like that.
Oh, sir.
No, there's nothing, absolutely nothing like that.
Task original executive. So
Obian taxi Obia say onkoye short list of Webian famra. Say do mra yebeye no appropriate communication. Ebeko. Now appropriate communication enko through the party because any appointed MMDCs through the appropriate structures, you know. Communication ebeko say committee bi na ebete aye hu bibia no so ye wosibia ye no dibesra mo bia panic oh yeah MMD sitting ones ni nyina ko veti ni bi man go for we punch during the Christmas and all that nti ɛno so mmerɛ enya enduye embre ni do ase dem kind appropriate communication beko to the appropriate people are in charge of this process. Now yet to me aye my baby auntie, there's nothing like a wholesale removal of everybody or maintaining everybody depending on the kind of worker, because I buy also analysis of the 4 years. I'm uncle 4 years Juma handed over no sir yeah they are abandoning my buying also steady. I show omo effective, omo effective. Then the man so because clearly, sir, our constituency now also one more win here. Say doing some sound copy on sir. So never charity. And also in our account, we're showing in our near car boom, not just say they are taking. Tipo beyond panic. It's unfortunate say available spaces no and shut down no so CBI expecting because I'm careful. I say. Omo wo na o say yi omo nyina na de foforo ba enkoba ne sa because the bebre o ha e be maintain bi e bi o hon so a e be sesa just as ministers on say maintain bi e bi nso ko fi omo amba omo so wa that things a omo e be ye the aboa the fact say sebi on kan ho sisi a nche say oni role bia who be play in our party and sebi ye nyina join a party say nye minister and president join the party. You join the party as full soldiers are. You be koso abwa na party no akonenim.
Mate.
One of the testers no. Ebi say about my views on expansion of the electoral college. Ukraine before 2010 no. Now at the constituency level no. Now polling station chairperson spend a twaba. Conference. There was go for almost say yanye move 1 man 1 vote. Now you won't go for argue for limited expansion. Ukraine at the end of the conference, no limited expansion for no and a winning the day. No. And I think rightly so. Because social NDC for now, omokoye move no, and at the almost 2016. One emeche and you know, now we treaded very cautiously at that time. Some argument today, sir Ababion made the Medane Empire on this argument. Na yet from because maybe show me baby I'm Gina Penach as me say argument no so never channel must go for about me how and say against me, which I don't want to do that because party running a dynamic and the go for Ebekika and we'll have the opportunity this year as part of our calendar to go to National Annual Delegates Conference. All these things will come up. But you're very extremely careful. My dream of idea. If you have a polling station registered for integrity, which will kickstart very soon. The Nema Bibri, said I'm a kind of man, may jump the gun, cry, debate, you know. But share examples of what we've been able to do. Expansion. It may boy and I say to me boy. Sometimes you know, will be a problem. It will be bad. Now you could take in knee-jerk reaction. Where the effect of that reaction, no, one shall not wear worse than before. Until me did this a debate, you know, I was a coso. In terms of old party executives, there. So, when was the last 3 days? I said, now, me kwa share review committee for ne Juma Omoyena, me Dambochi, the Minister for Local Government. Vetting oko, and then oko and such now. Oh, I hear. And then there's all about that zero more dear. Because said you wait there, why you fears oko, on the chanty. Your hand old party executives by don't say a formal old party associations. The me count. Now say, oh, sir. And there's some there, or some bus association, me 2 about 5. I'm a former National Youth Treasurer, former National Youth Organizer, former Communication Director, former Secretary, former Organizer. It didn't ever talk about SSS. Was association. Idea sometimes is difficult to manage because. So now your old party executive, and not just remain as old party executive, baby to make in another form and all that. We are party well, that's the basic thing. You are not careful. You better take association, baby. Oh, party, you know, I'm not creating problems. Said your old car, say presidential, HT. When you're careful, so association will line itself with one presidential candidate against the other, one parliamentary candidate against the other, one regional election, national elections. Where should now go for issue statement on behalf of individuals and all that. I think that we should not continue to encourage those kinds of associations because you're very careful. It will create a lot of confusion, particularly with the upcoming presidential primaries, you know. Yeah, very careful. Until America just say, "Be do baby, ne better uncle for be or near my baby." For me, said there will be a hono, and yes, I'm a hono. There's a long way to go, particularly with the presidential. No, said America, you use this year near my boss, by close of November. By December, no, now a new constitution, no, I ready. Early 2022, no. Party structures elections, right from polling station, electoral area, constituency, region, and national. It will be June. The newly elected executives are on my banner. By which time, no, now, your polling station elections, until almost and a bay almost mandate to decide on the presidential primaries. Your constitution, say a war, a bear more. A presidential candidate, not later than 11 months to the general elections. If you are careful, go university 2024. Go, January 2024, not later than 11 months to the general elections. So never channel. But I want to believe, say, good counsel will go into that decision. Because I also also say, your president, When you're careful, go in and tembro soa. O henona near so ama governance and also I den kakra. Uko in late and so now candidate and so uncle be a new that and so on your time to campaign. You need very good counsel, you need very sober minds, you need to be very careful and be strategic as to when to do that primaries. It is important, say, the next national officers, call for more savvy or more new form now that take his ideas. In America, just say time no and yam ben cry. As for this year, there's any or some call for test or test crack. Don't ever tell. Yeah, can go for we won't go for D and all that. Maybe it should remain as such. But a bit do baby no, you bet capono. Now, yet to me, I get now Emma abiding any other peace of mind. No, for because you're 4-year mandate. Now, so 4-year mandate, near ma, Ebema Ghana for Emma Omeniagia home. Now, the Ombe Huane say, and as soon as he say me a contest way, or been testing me, yes, wasting me, yes, now call for, just say, Passa, said they could see 2017, 2007 primaries. I don't think that we should get ourselves boxed up in such an arrangement again. You see, Obianso person or presidential idea, me did this or a party name up. Now, person lead the party now. Party no kasa also tie. So never channel. See,
me
oh, so person lead the party no. Now party the statement the ba say go for testing of waters no, any attacking of their opponents. The wild bears are no. What breaking this by code of the party? Unjai. Over Koswaye. Friends, Cardinal, over here.
David.
We had the answer now on contest elections. No? And I believe so. Be we do some level, no, or you'll be a name party, no, or J party name Ratum, or you name the duty of a party member. So I believe, say, so say, yeah, me na issue statement now. I also take into consideration a lot of Nyama and restricting conforms to be brave. But to be answered in Papa. Could be an inside me and yeah.
Mate. Yaba.
Peace FM 104.3. Good to meet you.